We are here with my brother, William. He's going to introduce himself. But before we tell you the story of our brother, we are going to ask Mom and Dad if you can stand up, please. Mom and Dad? Mom? So this is Ezra's mom, and that is Ezra's dad. We were 5 of us before Jackie and Tim joined us. So thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, everybody, again, for supporting us through this journey that has been extremely difficult and dark for us. But for now, we are going to tell you the story of our brother, who we knew from the time he landed in this earth until the time he exited. Birth and early childhood. Ezra was born on 17th April 1990 at the Nazareth Hospital in Kiambu County. He was the youngest of 3 children of Elias Kihara and Margaret Wanjiru. You have seen them. And he was deeply loved by his family. He was named after his maternal grandfather, Kafoga. Ezra shared a close bond with his siblings, myself and my brother, and they were always present in each other's lives from childhood. As the youngest, he had a special attachment to his parents and frequently accompanied them to various events. He also enjoyed the warmth of a closely knit extended family, which gathered regularly as a cherished tradition passed down by his grandparents. This strong sense of family shaped Ezra's values and provided a foundation of love and support throughout his life. Family relationships. He was a beloved son-in-law to Sospita Kamau and Virginia Wagaturi Kamau of Kambara, Mathioya constituency. He was a cherished brother-in-law to Martin Mugambi, Catherine Mwirori, Hannah Njeri, Timothy Maina, and James Jagi. As an uncle, he held a special place in the hearts of his nieces and nephews, Murugi, Mutugi, Eli, Darius, Marcus, Kafoga, Melania, Alvin, Victor, Charlene, and Brianna. Ezra was also a treasured grandson to the late Mary and William Rurunga, the late John Maina Kafoga, who he was named after, Wakageshi, Wakefige, and Washiro. He deeply loved his grandmothers, frequently reaching out to them. Ezra shared a close bond with his cousins, who will also miss him dearly. Education. Ezra began his education journey in nursery school at Kiambugi Primary School, where we are today, progressing to class 1 in the following year. He later transferred to St. Martin's Boys Boarding School and Kiriaini Preparatory School. He completed his primary education in 2003, sitting for KCPE examination and achieving exceptional results. In 2004, he joined Njiri School for his secondary education, but later transferred to Nyeri Baptist High School in Fortu. He completed his KCSE in 2007 with impressive performance. In 2009, he enrolled at the University of Nairobi, pursuing a Bachelor's of Arts in Economics and Sociology. He graduated in 2013 and immediately continued his studies, earning a Master's of Science in Commerce from KCA University in 2015. Additionally, he took a CPA course at Royal Business School, qualifying as a Certified Public Accountant of Kenya, CPAK, in 2011. At the time of his passing, Ezra was nearly completing his PhD in finance at JKUAT. Inspired by his uncle, the late Dr. Moher, he was deeply committed to completing his doctorate. Throughout his academic journey, Ezra demonstrated brilliance and resilience, characterized by competitive spirit paired with gentleness and humility. He loved and excelled in maths and numbers, just like his dad.
Religious life. Ezra was baptized on 6th of February 1993 at Gaturi CCM Parish. He received his first Holy Communion and was confirmed on the 1st of January 2001, still at Gaturi Parish. Throughout his life, he embodied a deep connection with God, characterized by a calm demeanor and compassion for all. Later, he relocated to Goingo Estate in Thika, where he joined St. Benedict Catholic Church. He became an active member of the Christ the King small Christian community and served as the patron of the St. Peter's Clavers Choir until his passing. His dedication to his faith and community left a lasting impact on those around him. He was a commissioned member of the Catholic Men Association, CMA, and actively participated in all its activities, living by the CMA motto of good family, good church, and good society. He embodied the principle of service, fellowship, and integrity. His commitment to strengthening families, enhancing church life, and contributing to the community left a meaningful impact on those around him. Ezra's dedication to these values inspired many and fostered a sense of unity within the parish. He served as a godfather to Darius, Eli, Brighton, and Brighton, guiding them in their faith and personal growth. His role as a mentor and spiritual support reinforced his commitment to nurturing the next generation and exemplifying the values of love and compassion. So just before we leave the religious life, I just wanted to mention, in his last days, alikuwa amekuja hapa kwa kanisa ya Kanguro, and he was very, I think akaenda akaona choo iko hali mbaya, and he came and organized a few of us, and we were in the process of doing the toilet again. So I think we will still continue with that even after, and I'm sure Chairman Maura, we can work together on that and complete hiyo choo ile Ezra alikuwa anataka kujenga pale. I'll move on. Marriage. In 2012, while still at the University of Nairobi, Ezra met the love of his life, Jacqueline Washera. There was a lifetime clique, and thereafter they got married in 2013. Their union was blessed with 3 adorable children, Dairan Kihara, Dasha Wajiro, and Dora Waithera. Their love story culminated in a magnificent wedding ceremony held on November 27, 2021 at St. Benedict Catholic Church in Goingo, Thika. Amidst enchanting music and dazzling glamour, the couple exchanged vows and joined their lives together in holy matrimony, best coupled by Mr. and Mrs. Wallace Njoroge. Work. He started his career at Murang'a University, where he grew to hold various roles in the finance function in 2022. He served on the board of trustees. He served on the board of trustees for Murang'a University Staff Pension Scheme in 2014. Committee, bringing financial acumen and integrity to every decision. He also served as the secretary of the investment committee and a member of the administration and policies committee. Okay. He served as the indoor games coordinator at Murang'a University of Technology from 2013 to 2016, earning a reputation as a distinguished leader. He successfully led the badminton and the netball team to compete at the regional level. By 2015, the women's netball team achieved an impressive second. In 2016, both women's netball team and the karate team made it to the national stage, with the karate team securing a second place. Leadership. He was ambitious and radiated positive energy, embodying the qualities of a servant leader from an early age. While studying at the University of Nairobi, he was actively involved in the Nairobi University Arts Student Association and was a dedicated member of the St. Benedict Catholic Church in Goigwa.